Machine specialist Michael has a new service call. Thanks to digitization, he receives all relevant information in advance. Smart maintenance starts with identification of the motors to be serviced via QR code. Thanks to the integration option of nexofox services, Michael receives current data from the motor. Live data streams are also available. Phew! I've never seen this motor error code before. I need a specialist from Dunkermotoren to help. Fortunately, we are connected and I can share all my data. Dunkermotoren specialists like Paula can quickly help customers analyze and solve problems.
Some parameters have been heavily modified in this machine. I am adjusting them accordingly and sending the new parameters to you now.
Perfect! With remote support, I can get my system back up and running right away. When the service call is completed, Michael signals that the machine is ready for production again. This information is also transmitted to Paula. Perfect service calls, smart, fast, and networked.